Well, we've made it to Portland, and I'm at the convention center and also at a light rail station. It's very convenient. But forget light rail, I'm going for a walk. Also, don't open this door because the balcony is not complete. This walk will be epic, but not like yesterday. And it'll be all on city streets and trails. But it'll be pretty. Interstate 5. And on the other side, the home of your Portland Trailblazers and the Winterhawks of the WHL. And a very major Max station junction. Portland is a city of bridges, straddling not just the Columbia, but the Willamette, or Willamette, right downtown, such as the Steel Bridge up there, the Burnside Bridge, which is the next one down. There's a few others until the tall one in the back. That's Interstate 5. And I'm going to be walking to a bridge past that before doubling back into downtown. There in 2011. Huh. It's still there. It hasn't turned into a Shiloh Inn or something. Yeah, you got a submarine in the harbor. That may be part of the Science Museum behind me. I think this is a relatively new bridge compared to everything else. The one over there is old. I'll put the year this was built down in the... I'll put it on the screen once I go home and figure it out. But yeah, it's transit and pedestrian bridge only. Or cyclists. Crossing the mighty Willamette. Oh, look at that. A Canadian spy. See those gondolas? It actually connects to a station down at the bottom, and up top, just behind this building up on the hill, it's one of the many colleges around here. Down to the shelter of the city. It's not much. This big gray cloud above me is not more enjoyable. So that part of Portland's still sunny. The beginning of Waterfront Park, I think. We're on the right side of the river anyway. Is that a... Let's do... Is that that a news report going on? Here's that Marriott that I pointed out earlier that I stayed at in 2011. And right here is where I did my first video of that little mini trip. My first time in Oregon in 15 years back then. And I believe I even interviewed some of these Canadian spies back then as well. Those ones in the back look small. I've never seen young, I'm assuming those are young ones that aren't just hatched, because they're not gray and fuzzy. Keep it real in Canada, guys. See the Canadian spy? Yeah. And that other one? And those? Say hi to Justin for me. Not the most interesting building, but there is a good restaurant at the top.
Where is the city? I don't recognize it. I don't recognize where it is.
The Portland icon, Voodoo Doughnut. In downtown Portland, it's a little nicer. Brick streets and all that. Hey guys. Over there. Well, I'm taking a little break here at beautiful Pioneer Square in the very center of Portland. Right across from the Pioneer Courthouse over there. But most importantly, what I picked up at the last place that you saw in the video. A voodoo bubble. So it's pink because everything at that place is. It's their iconic color. And apparently it tastes like bubblegum. And it even comes with gum in the middle.
Forbidden donut.
I'm going to eat this now. I'll be back in 10 seconds. Every Pacific state in the contiguous U.S. has a 405. Here's Portland's. I did a loop around the city earlier today. Traffic was not bad. Look at the traffic on the bridge coming over from the I-5. At least they virtually buried this highway as it goes through downtown, so it's not quite as disruptive. Covered with greenery and the like. They made the most of it. Oh, we've made it to Providence Park, the home of your Portland Timbers. Well, the hail is back. What a vacation. The things you do to go for nice walks and then get delicious donuts. Little building, so thin. R.I.P. Henry's Tavern. Only been there twice, but I love it. It's still really coming down, and now it's turned into rain, so it's even grosser. But when it's gloomy, what better thing to do than to curl up with a nice book. Well, I'm heading over the Charles Montgomery Burnside Bridge here in Portland, aka Springfield, apparently.
Excellent.
It's actually, the sky's getting better after that hailstorm. I hunkered down in Deschutes while the hail and the rain came. Thank God I bought this at Columbia at Woodburn today. Anyway, I'm just trying to get home. My hotel is just a little bit past those twin green spires of the convention center. So I predict it's what? A mile, kilometer and a half away, something in that vicinity. Hey Q, do you like Portland?
Yeah.